Could it be that the secrets of the universe were hidden in the sands of the Sahara thousands of years ago? Unraveling the mysteries of ancient Egypt, a civilization that has captivated the world for millennia, is akin to peeling back the layers of time itself. It's a journey that takes us back to the cradle of civilization, to the dawn of recorded history and beyond. Around 5,000 years ago, in the fertile Nile Valley, the story of Egypt begins. This river, the longest in the world, became the lifeblood of the civilization, with annual floods bringing rich and fertile soil to the lands. Here, the ancient Egyptians established one of the earliest and most enduring civilizations in history. As the centuries rolled on, an intricate social structure emerged. At the pinnacle stood the pharaoh, considered a god on earth. Below him were the nobles, priests, scribes, and soldiers. At the bottom were the farmers and laborers who toiled under the Egyptian sun to feed the nation and build the monuments that would stand the test of time. The culture of ancient Egypt was rich and diverse. They were pioneers in art, architecture, mathematics, and science. Their religion was complex, with a pantheon of gods and goddesses, each possessing unique attributes and powers. Their beliefs in the afterlife led to the creation of elaborate burial rituals and the construction of magnificent tombs, including the iconic pyramids of Giza. The ancient Egyptians had a profound understanding of astronomy. They developed a calendar of 365 days, which is remarkably close to the modern calendar. Their knowledge of geometry was instrumental in the construction of their monumental structures, demonstrating a level of sophistication that continues to baffle modern scientists. Over 3,000 years, Egypt was ruled by 31 dynasties, a period marked by periods of great prosperity, power, and peace, but also times of turmoil and foreign invasions. The civilization reached its zenith during the New Kingdom, when it expanded its borders and influence across the Near East. The fall of ancient Egypt came with the conquest by the Persian Empire, and later, the Romans. Yet, the legacy of this extraordinary civilization lives on, preserved in the sands of time, waiting to reveal its secrets to those who dare to delve into its mysteries. To recap, ancient Egypt was a civilization of remarkable sophistication and endurance. It thrived for 3 millennia in the fertile Nile Valley, under the rule of god-kings known as pharaohs. Its culture was rich and diverse, characterized by advancements in art, architecture, mathematics, and science. Its belief in the afterlife led to the construction of grand tombs and burial rituals. Its understanding of astronomy and geometry was far ahead of its time. Despite its eventual fall, the legacy of ancient Egypt continues to captivate the world, a testament to the enduring power of human civilization. So, the next time you gaze at the stars, remember the ancient Egyptians, who thousands of years ago looked up at the same sky, trying to unravel the mysteries of the universe, just like us. The sands of Egypt still hold many secrets, waiting to be discovered, to enlighten us about our past and perhaps guide us towards our future.